Gentry & Sons Trucking is a family-owned and operated transportation company based in Franklin, Kentucky. The company has been in business for over 30 years and has established itself as a reliable and trustworthy carrier in the industry. In this article, we will explore the net worth and investments of Gentry & Sons Trucking. Net worth of Gentry & Sons Trucking. It is difficult to estimate the net worth of a private company like Gentry & Sons Trucking since they do not publicly disclose their financial information. However, according to industry reports, the company generates an estimated revenue of $15 million to $20 million annually. The company operates a fleet of over 50 trucks and 100 trailers, which transport a wide range of goods across the United States. Investments of Gentry & Sons Trucking. Gentry & Sons Trucking has invested heavily in its fleet of trucks and trailers to ensure safe and reliable transportation of goods. The company uses modern equipment, including GPS tracking and electronic logging devices, to monitor the movement of its trucks and ensure compliance with regulations. The company has also invested in its employees by providing ongoing training and development programs to ensure they have the skills and knowledge necessary to operate the equipment safely and efficiently. Additionally, Gentry & Sons Trucking has a strong commitment to safety, with a comprehensive safety program in place to promote safe driving practices and reduce accidents. Gentry & Sons Trucking has also expanded its operations to include a brokerage division, which allows the company to offer additional transportation services to its customers. This division helps the company to better manage its capacity, provide more flexible services to customers, and generate additional revenue. The company has also invested in technology to streamline its operations and improve efficiency. Gentry & Sons Trucking uses software systems to manage its dispatching, tracking, and billing processes, which helps to reduce administrative costs and increase productivity. Future outlook for Gentry & Sons Trucking. Gentry & Sons Trucking has a strong reputation in the industry, and the company is well positioned for future growth. The transportation industry is experiencing significant growth, driven by the increase in e-commerce and the demand for faster and more efficient delivery of goods. To capitalize on these trends, Gentry & Sons Trucking has continued to invest in its fleet and technology, and has expanded its operations to include additional transportation services. The company has also focused on building strong relationships with its customers, which has helped to generate repeat business and referrals. Conclusion. Gentry & Sons Trucking is a successful family-owned transportation company that has established itself as a reliable and trustworthy carrier in the industry. The company has invested heavily in its fleet, technology, and employees to ensure safe and efficient transportation of goods. With a strong reputation and a commitment to growth, Gentry & Sons Trucking is well positioned for continued success in the future.